Right, to download and install printer driver for the Citizen CTS651 series printers, first of all we need to go to citizensystems.com. From here we choose support, driver and tools, and we go driver and tools, and now select category, which is POS, select printer, CTS651 Series 2 is the one, but if you've got Series 1 printer it's just CTS651, still use this driver, they're both the same. And operating system is Windows 10, search, and we want the Windows driver. And download. And we may as well choose open file. There we go. Now you can choose to save it in a area that you can find it in future if need be, maybe under the faculty and office drive. For now, open file and run. And yes, we do. Drive's already been installed. This is on my PC. On your PC it'll still keep running and you just keep on choosing accepting what it wants to do. Now what that will do is put it into your Windows printer folder. What I suggest you do next is go to control panel, so click on the Windows icon down the bottom and just start typing, get control panel and devices and printers. Now, as you see, I have it installed on here. If you can't see your printer on here, choose add a printer. The printer that I want isn't listed, and add a local network printer with manual settings. And we want to use an existing port. Now it's a USB printer, and generally speaking it will always be USB 1 virtual printer port. And we go next. You would choose Citizen and your printer on from this side. Right, again, because mine is installed, I get that message, you won't get that message. It'll go to the next screen. You can give it a name, you can call it a receipt printer, you call it a attendance printer, front counter, depending on where it is. And we don't want to share the printer, and we don't want to set as default, but you can print a test page if you wish and finish, and that's it, it's done.